How to add friends on Roblox app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can add friends on Roblox. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Roblox app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Roblox, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated Roblox, I want you to simply go over and then open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So as soon as you open the Roblox app, by default you'll be able to see the add friends button, which is at the very top. However, if for some reason you're not being able to find that option, then you have to go to this page right over here at the bottom right corner and then select the option called friends from the list. So look for the option called friends at the top. Once you go to friends, this is the list of friends which you already have, but if you want to add some friends, you have to tap on this search button at the top right corner, and then you have to go ahead and search for a particular friend to whom you might want to add to. Once you search and enter the name, simply hit the search button and you'll see a list of relevant results. First of all, we have to simply send them a friend request by tapping on the add button. So go ahead and tap on the add button and then simply send them a friend request. Once you send them a friend request on this page, once they accept it, you're going to be friends on Roblox. So I already have one of the friends over here. So if I go ahead and then show you, if I come back to my main home screen, you can see this person. This person is friend with me because I sent him a request and that he accepted it, and that is why he's friends with me on Roblox. And this is how you can add friends on the Roblox app. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.